Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Uh, I have not named my channel yet. So I'm thinking of calling this series Daily Vision. Uh, uh, Daily Vision because I will be talking daily to my camera about the topics that come up in my mind that would be beneficial for small scale businesses. Because see, I am Harshad. Let me introduce myself. I am Harshad. I am a graphic designer and I am on a mission to help small scale businesses use graphics, branding and social media marketing to grow their business, to scale their business. So I will be creating content around these topics, raw content on video format, and splitting it out on all social media platforms as much as I can. I'm sweating. Just a second. A bit better. So I'm creating content on this video platform as a small scale business. I'm trying Gary Vee's content pillar strategy and attempting it single handedly. Gary Vee has a team, has production money going in it, and I don't have anything. And still I am attempting to prove to small scale business owners that they can do it as well. This is my experiment for my business and hope it works. So today's topic, yesterday I talked about why small scale businesses need to create content, not raw format content compulsory, but that is beneficial, and I'll tell you today why. But uh, you need to create content online to have an authority, to create an authority for yourself in the minds of people that come in contact with your brand. And uh, you can, like, they can be your followers, they can be your customers, they can be your brand ambassadors. Even if they don't buy from you, they might suggest someone that someone needs the service you're providing or the product you're providing, and the other person can buy from you. So the point over here is, uh, creating content leads to creation of an authority, expressing yourself as a expert in the field you are in. That's the power of content creation. So how can small businesses create content is more today's topic. I have decided to talk about how small scale business creates content, uh, can create content rather. So I had made a mind map yesterday night, and I'll just share with you how I think it can be done easily. Like, the first thing you can do as a content creator, as a small scale business, to create content is create this raw content. Right now I'm creating and share it online, like I'm sharing on YouTube. See, with while the time goes by, you will start getting questions, start getting, what do you call it, responses from people that see your content. It might be like, to make something better or clear some doubts of theirs, and that will give you more content in future. So this is what I have in mind. So let's start with the mind map and see how it works. So first thing, you need to create content and share it on social media. Oh, fish. How am I supposed to? Just a second. So yes, create content and share it on social media. So two things can happen over here. When you share it on social media, people will ask you questions. When people ask you questions, record it again, share it on social media. You can answer that person. One person will watch for sure, and more people will get to, they will find your content. Chances of other people finding your content increases because you have more content online. Same thing, like when you give answers, you might get questions again, and you can re-answer them, and the cycle continues. Now one more thing you can do is, one more thing can happen is people give response. They might critique you on something, they might, what do you call it, compliment you on something, and you accept that thing and recreate content. Getting the point? So again, when you create content, see, people copy others topics and create content. Why can't you just take inspiration from your own topic, be a better version of that topic, make a better version of that topic, and recreate it and reshare it? That will be another piece of content, won't it be? Is that making sense now? Hope it is. So when you create content, improve and reshare, and when you improve and reshare, is you get same thing. Either people ask you questions, or either people give you response, and the series continues. When you they give response, you accept it, recreate content. When people ask you questions, you try to explain it in a better way and recreate content. But what till people don't find you? That's the main point where we usually get stuck. As a small scale business, we usually get stuck at this point, that what if no one watches, what till no one watches? Let's consider positively, and let's consider what till no one watches. So what you do is you rewatch it, use yourself rewatch it. And like, there is a saying that you learn more when you express, rather you learn more about what you know when you express yourself. I have talked about it in yesterday's video as well. I don't remember the name of the person who said it, but it is the way. If you express it, and see, whenever you write something, you write an email, you write a text. For example, you are writing a text, you are replying to someone, and when you write it, you go back and correct it to make it look better, right? So that's the same thing you can do with your content. You rewatch it, you get some new ideas out of it, and elaborate on that thing and reshare. You have another piece of content. So that's how you can keep creating content around, just by sharing your experience. That helps. Hope that helps you. Today's video is going to be short because I got too much work to do, because I handle other social media handles as well. So bye for today.